guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm gonna test some viral life hacks from TikTok. I am not exactly on TikTok, but I've seen a lot of YouTubers share this viral life hacks, and I find some of them pretty interesting. So we're gonna give them a try today, maybe 5 or 6 life hacks, to see if they work or they're just fake. So let's get started. We are on our way to Starbucks. My driver. We're gonna buy a few drinks for the first life hack. Okay, so I have ordered one ice peach green tea lemonade in venti size. I ordered without ice, by the way. So we're gonna see if this venti cup could fill up 3 grande cups with ice. I have filled all 3 cups with ice. So if you go to Starbucks, they'll fill your cup full of ice anyways. So let's do this. Not bad. Oh no! We end up with only 2.5 cups, so I guess this experiment wasn't entirely a fail because you could still save a lot of money with this method, so I give this a pass. Moving on to our second life hack, it's gonna be a chocolate mug cake, but it's only made of 2 ingredients: milk and Oreo cookies. There is no specific recipe for this, so I'm gonna use 5 cookies. Put some milk. So I put just enough milk to cover the Oreo. Next, I'm gonna crush the Oreo in the milk. Let's see. I soaked the Oreo in the milk and crushed them, so this is what I ended up with. Cake batter consistency. Can you see? Now we're gonna pop it into the microwave for 40 seconds. Okay guys, this legit looks like chocolate cake. I'm so excited to try it. Oh my god, look at that. Wow. Oh my god. Wow. It legit tastes like moist chocolate cake, guys. I'm not even kidding. It's so good. So hot. Seriously, if you try making this at home, you won't even buy chocolate cakes anymore. It's how good it is. it goes without saying that this life hack is a pass. A big thumbs up. I think I'm gonna make more of this in the future because it's so good, you guys. You should try it at home. Okay guys, hack number 3, we're gonna get myself verified on Instagram. We're gonna get that blue tick. Although this hack is highly questionable because I'm not a celebrity or anything. But let's just give it a shot and see if it works. This is my Instagram page. As you can see, I have less than 10k followers. We're gonna go ahead and go to Bill Gates' page. We're gonna right click on that blue tick and then choose inspect. There's gonna be some coding going on right here. You're gonna copy that and then go to my Instagram page, right click on my name and then click inspect. There's gonna be coding as well. And then you right click on that code, highlighted code, edit as HTML, click space, and then paste the code that you copied earlier, and then hit enter. Okay, refresh. Oh.
Tak jadi bila refresh.
Okay guys, the hack was obviously a total fail. Who in their right mind would think that they could get that blue tick so easily? That was so silly. Let's move on to our next life hack. Alright, hack number 4, we're gonna create a fake tattoo. So for the lack of a better photo, I'm gonna use this University of Oxford logo. So I'm gonna go ahead and take a perfume and then spray it all over the logo. Okay, and the back as well. Just a little bit. And then we're gonna submerge or soak this in a bowl of water. And put a timer for about 5 minutes. I'll be back soon. 5 minutes is over. So we're gonna spray my husband's hand with this perfume. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and take that piece of paper. Okay, and then spray some more perfume on top of that paper. Okay, and then I think you're gonna have to put pressure on it. Let it sit for a couple of minutes. It's been 3 minutes, so we're gonna peel it off slowly. Oh. It works, but not 100% because there's still ink on this piece of paper. But yep, that's basically how you create a fake tattoo. And the last hack is how you can cook a perfect poached egg, supposedly, using just microwave. So you're gonna need just a cup, an egg, and some water. First, fill the cup with water. I fill it half full. And then crack the egg into the cup. Oop. Okay. So let's pop it into the microwave. Well, that looks okay to me, but it sticks to the bottom of the cup, so I need to get it out. Ooh, ooh. Wow. Eh, 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 eh. That looks okay from the outside, but we need to cut to see if the inside is perfect. Oh, wait. I had to get myself a piece of bread to eat this with, so we're gonna transfer it onto the bread. Well, that looks good. Okay, the only way to find out if it's perfect is to see the inside. I'm gonna cut. Whoa! Look at that. Wow. Seriously? This is the best hack ever. It's literally so perfect, guys. Guys, I am so excited for the last hack. Look at that. I don't even have to fry my egg in the morning anymore. This is like life-changing, guys. And it tastes perfect too. Oh my god. I'm so happy. Okay guys, so we have tested a total of 5 hacks in this video and most of it worked surprisingly. If you like to see more of this kind of video, please drop a comment down below. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already and please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching and see you guys in my next one.